Hello, dear student. Welcome to the world of pharmacognosy. Myself, Narvada Diksha, lecturer of pharmacognosy and phytochemistry. Today, we will discuss the chapter Natural Fiber from Unit 4 of 4th semester syllabus of pharmacognosy, second year. Let's start with natural fibers. Cotton, jute, hemp. Fibers obtained naturally from various plant sources such as cotton, jute, and hemp. The natural fiber cotton. Biological source. It consists of epidermal trichomes, hairs of seeds of Gossypium, herbaceum, and other species. Here, epidermal means outer layer of the seeds. In this, hairs present called as trichomes, it is nothing but the cottons. Family Malvaceae. Chemical constituents raw cotton and purified cotton. Raw cotton consists of 90% cellulose, 7 to 8% moisture, also present wax and fat. Next important chemical constituent is purified cotton. It is also called as absorbent cotton. It has entirely presence of cellulose, 6 to 7% moisture. In raw cotton, there is presence of wax and fat so that it does not possess the absorbing property, hence called as raw cotton. While purified cotton is obtained from the raw cotton, in this case, raw cotton is purified means fat, wax and impurities are removed. Such cotton is called as purified cotton. It is also called as absorbent cotton because it is used in absorbing blood, mucus, pus, etc. Uses. It is used in surgical dressing as it absorbs blood, mucus, pus, and it helps in healing wound from bacterial infection. It is used as an insulating material, means it is used for the purpose of insulation. Used in filtering medium, means used for the purpose of filtration. Also used in preparation of cellulose derivatives, methyl cellulose, carboxymethyl cellulose. Means during preparation of cotton, short and long fibers are separated out. The short fibers are called as linters and these are used in the manufacturing of absorbent cotton, and the long fibers separated out are used in the textile industries for the preparation of cloths. Next natural fiber is jute. It is vegetable or natural fiber obtained from the stem of Corchorus capsularis and other species of Corchorus. Means jute is a phloem fiber, that is vascular bundle of stem of the plant Corchorus capsularis. Family Tiliaceae. Chemical constituents. It consists of lignocellulose. It contains true cellulose about 53%, hemicellulose about 22%, lignin 11%, fat wax 1% and moisture about 12%. Uses. Used in manufacturing of tows, that is stoop. Stoop is a wet cloth or sponge charged with medication for external application. Padding splint. It is used at the time of injury or fracture to the ligament, bone, leg and hand to provide support. Straining or filtering media. In making coarse bags, gunny bags, sacks, yarn and rope. Next is cannabis, that is hemp. Biological source, pericyclic fiber obtained from stem of plant Cannabis sativa. Family Cannabinaceae. The pericyclic fiber means the fiber obtained from the stem in which the vascular bundles are present in the periphery of the plant, and the long straight fiber collected from the stem is called as pericyclic fiber. The cannabis comes under the category of narcotic and psychotropics drugs, and hence their cultivation done under the control of government. Chemical constituents. It consists of hemp fiber, 77% cellulose. Cellulose is a polysaccharides. Then 10% hemicellulose, lignin, fat, wax, resins, cannabidiol, cannabinol, volatile oil and phenolics. Here lignin is a small amount of aromatic compounds deposited in the cell wall which provide rigidity to the woody plants. And the resins are the flowering and fruiting tops of the plants from which charas, ganja, bhang like narcotic substances are prepared. Uses. It is used to make variety of commercial products of industry. Used in preparation of rope and cloths. Also canvas and paper. Used in textile industry. When fiber collected for textile, fibers are separated out as a long hemp fiber, also called as bast fiber, and the short hemp fiber called as core fiber. The core fiber or short fiber used in erosion control mats, insulation products and fiber board, while long hemp fiber used in clothing, home furnishing, textiles and floor coverings. It is used in the preparation of rope and cloths, as hemp fiber has more tensile strength, or it having greater strength as compared to jute and cotton. It is used in preparation of papers such as filter paper, tea bags, cigarette paper, etc. Reference. Thank you.